Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram quiz sticker missing or not working. Let's try it. For example, this is the Instagram quiz. There is a questions option. You can tap it. So here, ask me a question. So this is like Instagram quiz sticker that showing up after the updates. So here, if you don't have this feature, or this feature is missing or not working, even some of this sticker doesn't working, like a frames, cut sticker cutouts, poll, and so on. So you need to update your Instagram first. So you can close your Instagram and go to the Play Store or App Store, and you can find Instagram. So here you can tap on Instagram and please tap on updates. Please keep up to date on this Instagram in order to enjoy some new features. Maybe you're missing some features, and here the latest update is on 6 December. This is the version. So if after the updates and you still encounter the error, you can hold Instagram application icon and go to the app info. Here you can try to tap on storage usage, and you can clear some cache, and also you can consider to clear the data, but you need to re-log in. So after the update and clear cache and clear the data, now I hope you can use the Instagram a quiz or a question, and you can use some new feature after the updates. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.